Is there anything unique about the nuts in particular, where you get them from? Or?
Well, all of our pecans and peanuts are Georgia grown.
Georgia grown?
We source and vet our suppliers very carefully. Now, we are also the only company in the entire country to have an organic Georgia grown peanut butter. But yeah, we vet them very carefully. They're all natural and all of that.
We do too. So
You have to, you know. And I mean, with peanuts in Georgia, it's difficult because there's so many suppliers. We're the peanut state, but we really stick to one or two suppliers.
Awesome.
So basically, that's the entire operation.
Yeah, I love it.
Front to finish.